guys? What's going on? Hey, I got a couple of very good courses to share if anyone's interested. I have a trust status course, an SPC with a $100 million bond, and the Form 56s and the WBENs and things like that. Very sharp. All the documents you need to put that process together. Now, typically that process is a lot of money, but I'm offering it so you could do it yourself. A stream amount of documents. It'll take you 6 months to put that together. If you read the instructions and you go through everything step by step and you listen to the audios and you review the documents and you change in their templates, actually probably very easy to do. It's well put together. There's been a lot of time spent on that. If you're at that point where you're doing your SPC process, this will be very valuable to you, because people just don't give this out. I mean, they charge upwards of $3,000 to do this, but you can do this yourself in a reasonable donation to me for both of these courses. Just give me a call. My number will be listed below. Just after 11 a.m. please. Please subscribe to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you soon. Hope to hear from you soon.